Hi guys, and welcome again to my kitchen. Today I'll be making a Jamaican staple. It's Gungo rice and peas. It's a Sunday staple, it's a Wednesday staple, it's just a staple in Jamaica. Of course, I'm doing it in my instant pot today, so I've added my peas to my pot. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of garlic, about 3 to 4 stalks of scallion. I'm adding some thyme. Of course, I'm going to go in with my sea salt because that's all I use to make my food really nice and have that perfect taste. And also, sea salt is very healthy. Here I have also added some crushed pimento, and I've also added some whole pimentos, just about 4 or 5 whole pimentos. And I'm getting ready to put my peas to cook. Here I also prepare my rice. I've washed it, have it ready to add to my pot once my peas is ready. Here we go. My peas is ready. How I check it, I normally lift it up with a spoon and I will take 1 or 2 of the peas and I will squeeze it to ensure that it is soft. You don't want it too soft. You want it perfect so that when you add the rice, it just cooks to perfection. Always go in with some butter and always go in with some coconut milk. You can take it from the can or you can mix it from the pack, whichever you desire. I always try to add some more salt to my rice. Here I've added my rice and I'm gonna go in. I stir it. How I measure it to ensure that the water is perfect. The level of the rice should be no more than 1 inch below the surface of the water. The water is going to be hot at this time, so you can't use your finger to test it. I usually use a fork and test, and that usually is my perfect measurement. Of course, you cannot leave out your scotch. You have to add that green scotch bonnet pepper. And here we go. Voila, my rice is cooked. It's ready to be served. I go in with a fork and test, as well as I remove the extra scallion, the extra thyme. With this type of rice, this is jasmine rice that I usually use. It's not like a basmati, so it's not very shelly. It's not clumpy either, but it's usually nice and perfectly soft. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, feel free to DM me and I will be ready to answer. Thank you again for watching, guys. See you next time.